Hey everyone, today we are going to start exercise 4.2. In the previous video we had already completed exercise 4.1. Hope you people understood those questions. Okay, so here what the exercise 4.2 of chapter number 4 practical geometry says that construct the following quadrilateral LIFT where the measurement is given as LI 4 centimeter, IF 3 centimeter, TL 2.5 centimeter, LF 4.5 centimeter and IT 4 centimeter. Okay. Second, quadrilateral GOLD where OL is given as 7.5 centimeter, GL 6 centimeter, GD 6 centimeter, LD 5 centimeter, OD 10 centimeter. And in the third question it is given that we have to draw a rhombus BEND where BN is given as 5.6 centimeter, DE is given as 6.5 centimeter. So using this measurement we have to draw the quadrilateral ILFT and second quadrilateral GOLD and third rhombus BEND. Okay, so here what the solution says, just we are going to deal with the solution. So here is the first solutions. So here what we have to do is we have to use the measurement for drawing the construction. So dear students, it is very compulsory to write the step of construction. So here are the measurement is given. So for the first part of the question, what you have to do is with the help of your scale you have to draw one straight line and 4 centimeter its measurement. Name it as LI. Okay, what you have to do with the help of your scale, draw a 4 centimeter line segment on the plane of your paper of your copy. Clear? Now after that, taking the radius 4.5 centimeter, draw an arc L at the center, L as a center. Now what you have to do, you have to measure 4.5 centimeter on the mouth of your rounder with the help of your scale. You people very well known that how to measure 4.5 centimeter on the mouth of your rounder, isn't it? So measure 4.5 centimeter on the mouth of your rounder with the help of your scale. Okay, keeping the needle at point L. Here you have to keep the needle and then you have to draw an arc. So keeping the needle at point L, draw an arc. Clear? Then in the third step what you have to do, you have to draw an arc of 3 centimeter taking I as a center which intersects the first arc at F. Now what you have to do, on the mouth of your rounder you have to measure 3 centimeter. Okay, on the mouth of your rounder you have to measure 3 centimeter with the help of your scale and keeping the needle at point I, draw an arc so that it intersects the first arc. That means here is the second arc you have to draw which will intersect the first arc. Clear up to here? Then what you have to do after that, with the help of your scale you have to draw a line joining the line and label it as a F 3 centimeter. Clear up to here? Then after, in the next step, join FI and FL. FL, that means here also you have to join its diagonal. Next, draw another arc using 2.5 centimeter taking L as a center. Okay, here what you have to do in the next step, taking 2.5 centimeter on the mouth of your rounder. That means you have to measure 2.5 centimeter on the mouth of your rounder with the help of your scale and keeping the needle at point L, draw an arc. That means the arc you have to draw over here. Okay, then the next what you have to do, taking the measurement 4 centimeter on the mouth of your rounder. On the mouth of your rounder with the help of your scale you have to measure 4 centimeter keeping the needle at point I. Here at point I, draw an arc so that it intersects the first arc. Okay, now then in the next step what you have to do, you have to join it. Clear? So here you have to name it as a T. So in this way you have to draw the first question, that is construct a quadrilateral LIFT. So dear student, first in this question what you have to do, you have to draw a line segment LI whose measurement is 4 centimeter. Then after what you have to do, on the mouth of your rounder, taking the radius 4.5, keeping the needle at point L, draw an arc. Then in the next step you have to take the measurement 3 centimeter on the mouth of your rounder, keeping the needle at point I, draw an arc at F so that it cancel the first arc. Now join FL and FI. Now taking the radius 2.5 centimeter, keeping the needle at point L, draw an arc. Then the same way on the mouth of your rounder, measure 4 centimeter on the mouth of your rounder with the help of your scale. Keep the needle at point I, draw an arc so that it cancels the first arc. We are getting an intersecting point, name it as a T. Then join TL and IT. Okay, you will get the required quadrilateral LIFT. Clear up to here? Next question. Question number 2 of exercise 4.2. Here we are having a quadrilateral GOLD. The name of the quadrilateral is GOLD. Okay. Now here what you have to do, you have to use the measurement OL 7.5 centimeter, GL 6 centimeter, GD 6 centimeter, LD 5 centimeter, OD 10 centimeter to draw a quadrilateral. Okay, so let's see how to draw it. First what you have to draw a line segment OL whose measurement is how much? 7.5. So we have to draw a line segment whose measurement is 7.5 centimeter. Label it as O and L. Okay, then in the next step what you have to do, you have to measure 5 centimeter on the mouth of your rounder with the help of your scale, and keeping the needle at point L, here draw an arc. Okay, 5 centimeter you have to measure on the mouth of your rounder with the help of your scale and draw, keeping the needle at point L, draw an arc. Clear up to here? Then again you have to measure 10 centimeter on the mouth of your rounder, 10 centimeter on the mouth of your rounder, keeping the needle at point O, draw another arc so that it intersects the first arc. Clear? Now what you have to do, you had get an intersecting point, label it as a D. Join the line DL and OD. Up to here clear everyone? Then next step, measure 6 centimeter on the mouth of your rounder. Clear? How much you have to measure on the mouth of your rounder? 6 centimeter you have to measure on the mouth of your rounder, keeping the needle at point D. Here you have to keep the needle at point D and draw an arc. Keeping the needle at point D, draw an arc. Okay, then with the same measurement, that means 6 centimeter only, you have to keep the needle at point L. Here you have to keep the needle first, the 6 centimeter you have to measure on the mouth of your rounder, then you have to keep the needle at point D and draw an arc. Okay, with the same measurement of 6 centimeter, keeping the needle at point L, you have to draw the another arc so that you will get an intersecting point, label it as a G. Then last step what you have to do is join GO and GD. What you have to do, join GO and GD. Thus it is the required quadrilateral GOLD. That means you will get the required quadrilateral as GOLD. So dear student, first what you have to do, you have to draw one line segment of measurement 7.5 centimeter, label it as OL. Then draw an arc of 5 centimeter, taking L as a center, and another arc of radius 10 centimeter taking O as a center, which intersects the first arc point at D. Now what you have to do, join LD and OD. In the next step what you have to do is draw an arc of radius 6 centimeter from D and another arc of radius 6 centimeter taking L as a center, and which intersects at point G. That means G is the intersecting point. Now join GD and GO. Thus GOLD is the required quadrilateral over here. So have you understood the question? So looking for the next question. What is here? Next we are having third part of the equation, which is the last question of this exercise, isn't it? BN is equals to 5.6 centimeter measurement given, and DE is equals to 6.5 centimeter measurement is given. What we have to construct it? We have to construct a rhombus BEND. What we have to do is we have to construct a rhombus BEND. Okay, so first what we have to do? First we have to draw a line segment DE whose measurement is 6.5. So first we have to draw a line segment DE whose measurement is 6.5 centimeter. Clear? Now drawing the perpendicular line. Perpendicular line, how to draw? Keeping the needle at point 5, keeping the needle of the rounder at point D, stretching the pencil part more than half of the line segment DE. Okay, drawing an arc at top and at bottom, and repeating the same process with E as a center, drawing the perpendicular line like this. Clear? So this will be the perpendicular line. Clear up to here? Then what you have to do is you have to draw two arc of radius 2.8 centimeter from the intersection point O, which intersects the line KN at B and N. Okay, now what you have to do is you have to measure 2.8 centimeter. Clear? How much you have to measure? You have to draw two arc of radius 2.8 centimeter from the intersection point O. Where is the intersection point O? Here is at the center, isn't it? So this one is the intersection point O, which intersects the line KN at B and N. That means this perpendicular line name is KL. Clear? The name of the line is here KL. Now what you have to do? Taking the radius, how much? 2.8. Keeping the needle at point O. Suppose this is point O. You have to keep the needle at point O and draw one arc at the top and 2.8 radius. Okay. Keeping the needle at point O, drawing one arc at the top, another at the bottom. Then after you have to join it. Clear? So in this way you have to draw these questions. So what last you have to do? Join B and DB or BD as well as ND and NE. So here the question number 3 is completed. We had drawn the rhombus whose name is BEND. So this is the name of the rhombus BEND. So here we had already completed the exercise 4.2. In the next video we are going to do the exercise 4.3. So have you understood, everyone? Hope you people understood. So for today, thank you everyone.